tool number 9, that is a funnel software or a marketing software or a website builder. This is something that you need to have because you want to build a personal brand. You want to automate your business. You got to understand something, that when you're starting an online business, the difference between that and having a job is that with an online business, with an online website or marketing funnel, the whole point is that you are taking the lead generation, the sales process, and the fulfillment, and you're trying to basically automate it. And you do that using a software which lets you host your website, your blog, marketing, your email marketing, all of that. Now, I can actually give you a breakdown on different tools that you can actually pick for every single part, because there's tools that do only email marketing, tools that only do a website, tools that only do funnels, things along these lines. Personally, what I love to use is an all-in-one platform. And the one that I personally use and love is called System.io. Now, System.io is a software that I use for my email marketing, my blog, my website, my courses, my coaching program. All that stuff is used using System.io. And that's the software that I recommend. If you go to eranbukai.com/SIO, you'll be able to go through the onboarding checklist that I've set up. It's a 6-part video series of setting up your first landing page. And this is the perfect place if you haven't used or built a website before, or you're starting from scratch, or you have used System.io, or you're thinking about using System.io and you haven't actually logged in. This is the checklist for you, because it's going to actually take you through, and I like to call it the quick win checklist. And what it does, it's going to literally take you through the checklist and walk you through the steps to be able to have your first landing page, thank you page, and email set up and all automated in a matter of an hour or so. Now, if you've never done it before, it might take you a little bit longer, it might take a couple of hours, but it is so simple. It literally should take you 1 to 2 hours to get done, and you will have a win on having logged in and created your first landing page, your first website, and so on. So that's what I would recommend you use, System.io. And also, it is actually free to start. So eranbukai.com/SIO. And if you are already at a stage where you are already using it, wanting to upgrade, and you're ready for the paid plan, which you are going to need to do at some point anyway, you can go to eran.link/197 bonus, which is a unique pricing offer that I have for System.io, which is not actually available publicly on their website. So eran.link/197 bonus. And on that page, not only you'll get the cheaper pricing for the annual plan, you will also get all the bonuses that I give people when they join System.io and use my affiliate link. So you'll notice that I'm using Switchy again, eran.link/197 bonus, because that's a pretty link. And I'm using linkredirect.io because I'm telling you, go to eranbukai.com/SIO. That particular automation is set up using linkredirect.io. So again, I want you to pay attention to what I'm doing here and how I'm using all these tools together to be able to automate and systemize my business. So to recap, you need a funnel software to be able to build your email list, to be able to sell online, to be able to integrate your payment processor as well. All that stuff you're going to need, and System.io is a great place to start. With System.io, you're going to be also using all the tools I've already told you about. Remember, tool number 1, Switchy, I've just told you the URL to go to. The checklist, I used Link Redirect to set that up. Domain name, you will need to connect the domain name to System. Payment processor, you're going to be able to integrate your payment processor with System. When you create a free account, you're going to need to create it, and you're going to need to get a password and save that in your password manager. So hopefully you're seeing a bit of a theme here, that I'm trying to build up the software here in a sequential way, that even though they might not be necessarily in the same category, there is a sort of a structure in the sequence of what you're signing up for. So that's the next tool for you, System.io. Go sign up for that if you haven't done so already. And that's tool number 9.